How's it going, YouTube? Today I want to show you guys how to paint rims at home for Jeep. So let me get the materials that you will need. So this is what you'll need. You'll need that. We'll paint about 2 bottles of the black because that's why I'm putting black. And then about the gloss clear finish so they can shine once they're done. This is the primer. I got 2 over there that I already did. I'll show those in a second. Then I got these 2 that I'm doing right now. I'll show you guys these 2 right now and take you step by step on, what to do and how to do everything. So it's pretty cheap, pretty simple. Pay $50, you probably don't even need all this stuff. And then this is the grit, the sand grit. I got this one on here, the 2x20. I followed the bottle because the bottle said I use that one for the paint to get the paint off and stuff. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Once you do that, then it was a full thing. I just cut it in half. But after you do that, let's move on to the next step. All right, so after you sand the rim down, next thing you want to do is you want to wet it. Make sure you get it really good, and then use like a paint thinner or anything like that. I don't have that, so you can improvise. If you have it at home, you can just use alcohol. So I'm gonna just use alcohol, so let's just get right to it. After you're done with that, I'll take you to the next step. So, next step is to get the plastic bags on there and get it taped up. So let's get to it. now, once you're done with that, follow me on to the next step. You're gonna be adding that primer that you got from the stove, from the AutoZone, because I got myself from AutoZone, so it's like AutoZone, car paint tutorials, whatever you call it. Anyways, grab that and let's get to it. I'm back, and I know I didn't record me doing the paint or the clear coat or the primer, but I did do it. So pretty much, let me see. Pretty much, this is all you'll need. This is the Rust-Oleum primer sealer. I sprayed personally two coats. So you can spray 2 coats of this onto all 4 of them. Then after that, you get the wheel paint. After that, get the wheel paint, spray it on there. And then after you do that, I did about 3 coats. And I probably waited like 10 minutes between each coat. And then the last coat, I probably waited like an hour. And then after that, the last coat, it was like 2 hours. And then after that, use this, which is a gloss cleaner. That's, if you want to, depending on you, it's pretty much a clear coat. If you want that shine or not. Personally, I did, so I went ahead and used this. I used 2 coats. I waited like 20 minutes in between each one, and then I sprayed it after that. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Just finished the last coat, so yep, there they go right there. So you see, came out pretty good. First time doing this, so don't judge me. Honestly, personally, I'm happy with how they came out. I will be putting these on tomorrow, so I'll be coming out with the update video on, how they look and everything, and very, very, very excited with how they came out. But hope you guys like it. Hope you subscribe. Hope you learn something from this. Anybody can do it. Literally my first time doing this, so literally, cost me $150. You can do it however, it really don't cost that much. You don't have to get the stuff I did, but I hope you guys like it. And it's the Carway Lifestyle, and I'm out.